Fix Ring app camera preview not available. So if it says this, it usually means the app cannot load the camera because the device is offline, weak Wi-Fi, low battery, or power issues, or something similar to those. So what you can do is to check if the camera is offline. So you can go to your Ring app, take a look at the specific device, and if you see an offline icon, you're gonna have to tap that and follow the reconnect steps that is going to be shown in the app itself. You can also take a look at the device health. So over here, choose your specific camera, go to the triple dot button, and once you press on that, you'll see more options. You can go ahead to the device health, and over here you can check your, not there, where am I? Over here in the device health, you can take a look at the power source, battery level, the status, the signal strength. This is probably one of the most important parts, since if there's no network and if there is bad network, the camera itself will have a harder time giving you footage, thus giving you this unavailable or preview not available sign. So what you're gonna have to do is to try reconnecting the camera to Wi-Fi at least. Just disconnect and reconnect, and then you can also try improving the Wi-Fi signal. So move the camera closer to the router. You can try restarting the router itself by turning off the router for a few seconds and then turning it back on. Then you can also try rebooting the camera itself. So stay in your device health, scroll down until you find the reboot this device option. So if the camera is online, you can check it over here and reboot the device. If it's offline, you can remove the battery for a few seconds or unplug the camera if it's not the battery option. But those are a few things you can try if you're getting this preview not available for your Ring camera. So hopefully this video helps. If it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.